Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and it's your girl Cindy. Hi, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're an oldie, welcome back. And I'm on my nature walk. I do nature walks, wellness, sort of like chit chat while I'm walking, telling stories and stuff like that. Reached 100 subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. All my hard work is paying off, doing these vlogs and get ready with me for the day and what I do throughout the day. And I walk anyway. I walk twice a day, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. It is 5:23 in the morning. Usually when I do these sunrises, like when summer first started really going good, 5 o'clock I was barely getting here before the sun started coming up. That was at like 5 o'clock. And now it's like 20 past and the sun is just barely coming out. Oh, that makes me sad. Know that the seasons are changing, which is a total bummer. I wish it was summer all the time. You in the warm states, I know it gets super hot there, and it gets like over 100 degrees, but here in the Northeast where we have like, we have summer and fall and winter and stuff, and it's such a drag. Oh man. Anyway, viewing my channel and coming with me on my journeys in the wilderness, and I hope you continue watching, and I'm hoping that my channel grows. The sun it looks pretty. Check this out. I gotta get a thumbnail. Yesterday I forgot to get a thumbnail, and I'm like I'm frantically looking through all my my pictures and stuff to see if I get a good picture. I gotta get some different stuff here. Ooh, this is pretty. I gotta get a thumbnail of that. Let me tell you what. Okay, I'll show you what it looks like. Ready? Ooh, beautiful. Gotta get a stock picture or a thumbnail. I gotta get a thumbnail. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're a old subscriber, welcome back. If you're a new subscriber, hi, I'm Cindy, and I like to do nature walks and chit chat with you. Chit chat while I'm walking, sort of like when you're standing next to me and I'm chit chatting with you while we're walking. I got a new hat. Check out my hat. My mother got me that for Christmas. I kind of bent the crap out of it though. Anyway, I gotta get going. So, like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell every time I upload a video. Hit the like button. Hit it. Just hit it. You can do it. Just hit it. I'm so silly. Anyway, and come with me on my walk with me. We'll go for a walk and chit-chat a little bit. Don't forget the bug spray, though. The bugs are terrible out here. Bye. It's a beautiful morning. It's cold. I had to put pants on again. I almost put on a thicker jacket though, because it's cold. Ooh. I'm going down the river road. The sun is trying to come out. Yesterday it rained. It was such a drag, but we needed that rain hard. Now it feels like fall. Honestly, I think I said it was 60, but the wind is cold. It's always cold on this road. Isn't it beautiful? Those stupid towers. Let's go. The sun is trying to come out. This looks like, the piano music in the distance with that sun. That's what it kind of reminds me of. I need to get away from those, It's so pretty. So pretty. The sun's trying to come out over that cloud. I don't know, when I'm editing, when I'm actually on the go on my camera and I'm looking this way, I don't see the sun. But when I'm editing, I can see it. I can see the sun and stuff. I'm freezing. Is my nose red or what? Yeah, so in the afternoon, yesterday afternoon, it was raining. In the morning yesterday, I got a good walk in, but by the afternoon, it was raining. The sun's trying to come out. Oh, look at that. Look at that cloud. The cloud looks pretty. Let's see if I can get in close of that cloud. It looks cool. A couple birds flying by. Today is Monday. I used to dread Monday. Oh, we're supposed to be going to concert, some country concert in Bangor, and I think my husband wants to go to that so we can get some content and stuff. People walking around with cowboy boots and stuff. I love the look of cowboy boots. I think it looks so darn cute with like a skirt or a pair of shorts, a tank top and stuff like that. But I'm only 5 feet tall, so putting any kind of boots to my knees, I look like a freaking elf. Gigantic boots. Being short is just not fun. Is that an eagle? Wait. Yup, that's an eagle. Oh look, he's got his mouth open. I wonder why he has his mouth open. Oh, that's so cool. Is there two there? Oh, he sees me. Oh, he sees me. It must be windy up there. Dude, I think there's 2 of them up there. I don't know, I can't tell. But it looks like there's 2 beaks up there. Maybe it's the way his feathers are or something. You know the iPad Air unboxing that I just did on my channel? Go check it out. It's an iPad Air unboxing. It's on my iPad Air. I have this picture on my paper. Now this is pretty. See how it's... Wait a second. I just gotta ponder on this here for just a second. Ooh. Ah. I'm to the end of this road. You hear the wind? It's windy this way. It's windy going this way. As soon as I turn around and go back the other way, it won't be as windy, I hope. Look, my nose is red, even my cheeks. I can't believe that I got 100 subscribers. What? I've been doing YouTube. Well, I started channel and I got 38 subscribers or something like that. I got a couple of subscribers. Then life happened and I stopped doing it for a super long time. Now I picked it up again. My husband has got almost 1,000 subscribers. He is, what is his name? Triple H Audits. And he records stuff that's like audits in different states and junk like that. He's got almost 1,000. So I'm gonna have to help him with that. Then do my YouTube. And then find shorts videos to put on shorts to get subscribers, because I guess that's where all the subscribers are, is when you do shorts and stuff. And then they'll view it and then so they'll look at your videos and then they'll check your channel out and then they'll decide if they want to subscribe to you or not, which is kind of neat. Especially when you have a lot of videos to choose from. Oh, there we go. Maybe because it was shade. This is pretty. So, I hope you're all having a good day. Bye. Hey everyone. It's me, Cindy again. And I'm on a different road. This road right here is called Karen Drive. And it's a short road. It's really quiet. I really like it down here on this road. There's one white house on this road. I love this house. Every time I walk by it, I'm sitting there like, people must think I'm weird. I'm like staring at the house, like, it's so pretty. I'm like admiring it. So pretty. It's like one of those old TV, like Leave It to Beaver kind of houses. House right here. Isn't it a beautiful house? I love this house. Anyway, it's good to step back and just center yourself, ground yourself, and just listen to what Earth has to offer. The birds, the trees. If you're walking near the river, just sit and listen to the river. Watch the water flowing down the river, or the wind blowing in the trees. The birds. The birds are fun to listen to. Or if you see an animal, just sit there and watch the animal. Especially deer. Deer are fun to watch. Now here in Maine we get moose. And They're fun to watch. Moose, you have to be careful too, because even though they look like they're not gonna do anything, moose are blind as heck. So they'll see you, but it's hard to tell what they're gonna do. I hope you have a great day, a great Monday. Like and subscribe to my channel if you like these nature walks and story time and just chit chat. Like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and come back and we can talk. Yeah, be friends. Hi everyone, I'm back. It's the same day, it's Monday, and it's the afternoon, and it is 12 o'clock, right on the nose. And oh, I want you to check out this thing my mother got me. See this thing? It's a fan. Hold on a second, there's a button. There's a button. And the air comes out right here. To keep yourself cool when you're walking and stuff. The air, there's pretty good air here. Oh man, this is gonna come in clutch when I go on my walks. Today it's really windy, as you can tell, so I don't really need it today, but I wanted to put it in my vlog because my mom hooked me up with it. Now she lives in Arizona, my mom and my stepfather, so she's probably got one. But these are gonna be awesome when I'm having my hot flashes and stuff. I'm gonna try it out tonight. I wonder if you can sleep with it. I don't know, because I usually have hot flashes when I'm sleeping. When I first get in, I'm all cold, and I like grab all my blankets and I'm putting them right up to my chin. But then 5 minutes later I get hot and I'm like taking them all off. I hope everyone's having a good day. Oh, the beagle. There's a beagle right there. So I'm on Penobscot Avenue. And this is another nice road that I like to walk on. It's real quiet. There's big trees, like you can see there's big trees and stuff, so they give you good shade. When it's too hot though, I just can't do it. There's not enough shade. There's shade, but not enough shade where I could just sit, because if I was just gonna sit in some shade, it would be like near someone's house at the end of their yard, and just sitting there would be a little creepy. It would be creepy for me, so I don't want to do it. That's why I go more towards the river, because there's like parks and stuff down there that I can just sit when I get too hot. So this is a great farmhouse right here. It's old school. My husband said that there's this is like the oldest road, one of the oldest roads in Howland, like the 1800s and stuff. So she was looking at me hard. She come out of that red house. This house right here, so beautiful. When that white house was for sale, like they put it up for sale, on the realtor site to look at the house, they had old photographs of that house with like women with like full-on dresses, you know, like in the 1900s, with their little umbrellas and junk, like the turn of the century, is that what they call it? This place is popping back in the day. Probably because of the log trucks, the log companies, all of Maine, northern Maine was popping back in the day. They had logs and they would do copper, ore. I mean, there was tons of money to be made here. Now, it's all somewhere else. It's sad. I'm hoping that it changes soon though. I'm so stupid. But yeah, so I'll let you go. My arm's getting tired. Bye. Hey everyone. I am walking back. I don't know if you can see that or not. 153 miles, 32 minutes, 3,000 something steps. I was going to go down the whole road, this whole road. But then I pondered on the thought, okay, my foot is starting to hurt. I've been having problems with it lately. I mean, it feels better, but it's kind of sore. Now, tomorrow we are going to Bangor because there is a country band playing there, and we want to get some content down there, like what people look like, and you know, the riffraff there and stuff like that. Who knows, maybe we'll win another 5. Yeah, right. I would definitely. You know what? I'm thinking about wearing my lucky shirt again. I don't think I wore it yet. That would be funny. Oh my Lanta. Anyway, yeah. So tomorrow we're supposed to go to Bangor for that concert, and we're gonna be walking. And I don't want to be walking too much during the day. So look at these dogs. Look at these dogs. Aren't they the sweetest little things? Can I pet your dogs? Yes. Usually these kind of dogs are real nice. Hi, little baby. Hi. Hi. Hi, Lucy.
The other one's Rosie.
Hi, Rosie.
Lucy's too.
Hi. Aren't you the sweetest little dog? You're a good dog. Overly excited.
We love.
Ooh, one of them drooled on me. They drooled on my leg. They drooled on my arm. I've got to get a friggin' wipe. Hopefully I have some. Hold, please. Yeah, those golden retrievers were so cute. But they slobbered all over my hand, all over my arm, and on my pants. Yeah, when I get home, I'm gonna have to take these off because that's nasty. I'm still on the Penobscot Avenue. I'm going back home. Because tomorrow I'm gonna be doing a lot of walking tomorrow, so I don't want to overdo it today. So it's beautiful. It's nice and windy out. I was having a flash, but now it's windy out. This little fan thing is sweet. Where the hell was this? Oh man, I would have loved this kind of thing when I was working at that bakery. Where it was like super hot. Oh, that would have been great. Although it was so hot, it probably would have irritated me. I hope everyone's having a nice day. It's windy. It's supposed to start raining again around 1 o'clock. Oh my gosh, it's windy. It's supposed to start raining again about 1 o'clock. I guess we're supposed to have like a little rain, which is cool. everything needs it. But this morning was freezing. I think it's 70 degrees now. So it almost feels like late summer, early fall. It's supposed to be summertime. Oh, I should be over here where it's shade. Yeah, the shade's nice. These big trees, they're nice and shady. I hope everyone's having a good day. I'm gonna let you go. Bye. Like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell every time I upload a video, and like my video, share my video. And I'm finally at 100 subscribers. Yay! Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. Tons of gratitude to all of you. Thank you very much. Bye.